Whiskey, what do you want? Do you want the ball? The ball? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry about my hair. I just showered, I put on my tan because I have a wedding to go to tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm coming at you with all natural hair, no makeup, and yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell down below so you can get notified every time I post. I post a couple times a week, and we're gonna get on with today's vlog. So as you guys saw, I did get my warm lemon water, I showered, I did some work, I turned in a couple things that I had to turn in today, and yeah, that's where I am at now. I made some celery juice, and then now I'm gonna go make some breakfast. So post holidays, I'm so ready to get back into a healthy routine, because I swear in our house we have had so much junk food and it's so tempting. So I'm ready for that to go. I'm ready to get back into my healthy routine, maybe after tomorrow, because tomorrow's the wedding, so I want to still have fun and live my life, but we'll see about it. So I'm excited for today's vlog, and happy Friday. But yeah, so let's go back to the kitchen and see what we're up to there. So this is my fake tan outfit because I have to wear something loose so the tan doesn't like smudge off or whatever. But yeah, I use the Saint Tropez tanner and I seriously love it. It goes on so well, but I'm feeling a little bit tanner, so it's a plus. I quickly want to say sorry, the coffee's brewing in the background, but whipped cream is really not that bad for you. If you look at the label, it is obviously not that bad and it could be worse. So I like just adding a little touch of whipped cream. Okay. Hello guys, I wanted to pop on here and set you guys up because I wanted to chat about something, and obviously you guys know from the title of this video, I've kind of been going through a new chapter in my life. I am going through a phase of rebranding, and for the past couple weeks I've really reflected and just prayed about where to take my Instagram platform and this, and like what I want to do with it in the future. And it just comes down to me trying to be better at niching down, because I feel like I am just interested in so many different things where it gets very confusing, and I just feel like that I really need to just like pick a topic and focus on it. So at least for my Instagram, I posted this photo last night, and I am like overwhelmed by the amount of like messages and comments and engagement that post has actually gotten. So for Instagram, I'm going to be posting more lifestyle, health related content rather than fashion, because as I said, fashion just wasn't for me. I said that in the caption, so make sure you guys check out that post if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram because I'm very active on that. But yeah, honestly, I just want to do this rebrand. Sorry if you can't see me. But yeah, honestly, I've just been really wanting to do this rebrand because I wanted to tune in more to myself and who I am, and I feel like 2019 was a big year about self-discovery and finding my passions and finding myself. As cliche as that sounds, I really feel like 2019 was a good year for me and just finding myself. So on Instagram, you'll be able to find more lifestyle, productivity tips and stuff, so make sure you follow me on that, like I said. But I don't see my channel and YouTube changing much more. I'm going to try to upload 2 videos a week from now on, and then I'm also going to be doing more fitness stuff, but at the same time I do a lot of fitness content right now, and I do like social media and productivity tips, because as you guys know, I'm a social media manager, so that's literally my day in and day out. So I mean, I want to show you guys my life and my day, so that kind of makes sense. But yeah, so that's what you can kind of expect from me. But yeah, I just want to sit down and talk about this and tell you guys where I'm going from now on. So I'm excited about it, and I hope you guys follow along. Wash my hair this morning. What are you doing? Shannon. Okay, hello guys. I just got to my boyfriend's house. I'm thinking that I might need a shower. I sweated a lot during my workout, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a shower here or not. But yeah, our plan is just to go do some shopping. We have a wedding to go to tomorrow, so he has to get a tie. I need to get my eyebrows threaded and probably just go get dinner, and that's gonna conclude the night. Okay, so I showered and now Brandon's in the shower and he really doesn't like being on camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a scare cam. I'm gonna figure out what I wanna do. So the door's closed, he's gonna come in that door. I think I might stand like right here and then put you guys way over there. Or maybe even like put you guys in my coat or something. We're gonna do this. Okay, cool. You can kind of see it. Okay, so the water's still running, so he's not done yet, but I will talk to you guys in a second when he's done.
You, man.
Okay guys, we are in the car now, and I just thought I would end the vlog here because we're just gonna go get dinner and then run to the mall. Yay! Are you so excited?
Super excited.
But yeah, he doesn't like being on camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and the scare cam that I'm gonna be doing more often.
Jesus Christ.
But make sure you guys... Okay, anyway, having technical difficulties, but if you guys end up liking this video, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up because that supports me, and subscribe to my channel because I post a couple times a week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!